Ngikhuleke kunina besilwa ngikhuleke kwizizwe zonke uMzansi Afrika ngiyabingelela ngiyisingathi indaba kodwa lolu luthi alibe lidala kakhulu kunami ngicabanga ukuthi nokuguge ngiguge namhlanje ngihlale ngiguge emhleni kodwa hayi kanje umoya wami ulimele futhi ngiconfused futhi ngithandaze kwaphela umthandazo ngaconsulta ngokuhlukana ngoba kunezinto ezinye ingaphezulu kwethu ngemizimba yethu kodwa when you are trusted with that responsibility kufanele uyithathe kunjalo kulesi simo engizosethula kokulandelayo la ngiyofisa abantu abaneso elikhulile kuphela uma unesikhathi sokudlala futhi ungenaso isikhathi sokulalela uphinde ubheke ngese elikhulile ungabe ingxenye yale nkulumo kwisimo engibhekene naso kune case ethinta ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uMinister Senzo Mchunu ethinta uGeneral Mkhwanazi kwisifunda saKwaZulu Natal ngibathintile ngokuhlukana ke bobabili ngesizathu sokuthi uma inkulumo isifikile kodwa ifika nge-third party akufanelekile ukuthi bese uyithatha njengoba injalo ungayizwile ngabanikazi bodaba ubese ngifonela kungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uMinister Senzo Mchunu wabeka isayidi lakhe bengisalinde isayidi lika Shamase uGeneral Mkhwanazi omunye umuntu kuzoyibuza ukuthi why mfazi are you all over mhlawumbe omunye umuntu uyacabanga ukuthi umsebenzi engiwenzayo mnandi awukho mnandi omunye acabanga ukuthi uhlanya but imisebenzi yethu ayilingani ngingankantike kakhulu ngibese ngifanele uma ngiqeda ukukhuluma nomacingwane ngithembisa ukubuyela kuyena namhlanje noma kusasa masengizile ukuthi ngigcine ngixhumane noGeneral Mkhwanazi angizomphawulela nizoyizwela ukuthi uthini uGeneral Mkhwanazi kade sisupporta yena nje emva kwe-raid ebikhona eThekwini nakho kuthintwa ama-flat kutholakala ama-drugs nezinye zezinto ahamba emkhumbini nakuleli side sagcina siboshwa ngakulo thina eMtateni kuthe mangabe ethreatenishwa we are the first people again ukuthi sithi hands off uGeneral Mkhwanazi ongangokuthi abantu babona amasosha asuke workshop ikhona le poster nizoyibona la kuthiwa we rally behind uGeneral Mkhwanazi because uGeneral Mkhwanazi ufike ubuye kwi-province ebuya ku-national emva kokuthi isile sidala esikhotheme uMdlokombane ekholela ukuthi uzokwenza ngobuqotho umsebenzi wophoyisa because bekum-affecta kakhulu especially because of isteshi lesesilapha kaNongoma iRoyal Protection amaphoyisa la kade 151 personnel ehamba nendlungulo egada imoto aphinde abe ingxenye yokugada kwegodlo nokwenza eminye imisebenzi ethinta indlungulo bekum-affecta kakhulu umuntu omdala ziningi ezinye izinto abebhekana nazo kuphinde kum-affecte kakhulu kwinto ye-traditional policing that was launched in 2019 kubizwe uMinister Bhekicele necabinet yaKwaZulu Natal isishaya mthetho sonke sibizwe kulonjwa lento ethinta amasosha namakhosi kuphinde kuzoba ukuthi ke uGeneral umhlobo khona eNdlunkulu yakaZulu. Ngokunjalo noMacingwane umhlobo lapha eNdlunkulu yakaZulu. Kodwa kudaba labo uma selze lafika ngendlela elifike ngayo, ngicabanga ukuthi isizwe asingaba babhebhethelisi bodlame because esikubhekile kubona ukuthi balwisane nobugebengu futhi siphinde sizizwe siphephile in our province and in our country because uMacingwane minister ngaphansi kobuholi buka-ANC is one of our subjects. Just like amanye ama-subjects wethu angene, uma ngikhuluma nge-subject ngikhuluma umuntu ngaphansi kobukhosi bakaZulu. Namanye ama-subjects esinawo kungabalwa kuwo Nkosi uHlabisa, Nkosi uMzamo Buthelezi, Nkosi uZuzifa Buthelezi, mhlambe namanye ama-members oJomo Sibiya namanye ama-members angaphansi kwamaqembu athile ahlukene kodwa ekuhulumeni okazwelonke. So ke kuthi ke uma ngabe sekwenzeke konke mhlawumbe abantu bebeyaye benga-understand ukuthi why uhulumeni noma uminister othile noma president will always come back to iNdlunkulu yakaZulu. Our government is shaped by ubukhosi. So ubukhosi bakithi, that's why kubonakala kugijima kakhulu uhulumeni kuzo zonke izinto ezikhona kulesi sikhathi esikusona. So i-appointment ke siyenzile eya Friday ukuthi bazobonwa bobabili, hayi ukuthi kudingeka i-interference yesizwe or anyone othinta umthetho njengamanje kusabizwa ama-subject aseNdlunkulu that are servicing iNdlunkulu, which is uMinister Senzo Mchunu and also uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Mhlambe ngizoyidedela le information that abantu abaningi will analyze it, bakhomente, bahlohle, benze konke, kodwa inhloso ekugcineni fanele kwazeke ukuthi inhloso is to fix whatever that went wrong. Noma ngabe yini behind that, we don't want to get into details. But esafisa ukuthi kwenzeke kuqala akube nokuthula between the two parties, whatever that went wrong ake kuzwakala ama-side abo two. Then once bazwakala bobabili futhi kuyofanele kuphinde kubuyelwe bese kukhethwa isigungu eNdlunkulu esongenelela ukuba sifacilitate lolu daba and see to it ukuthi ekugcineni ngakwela Macingwane side, uMacingwane ekufikeni kwakhe nje ku-department, one of the things he did ukuhlakaza i-task team le ebidila nama-political killings, investigating ama-cases ama-political killings. That also includes ama-cases afana nabo Senzo Mayiwa, ama-case afana nawamakhosi abulewe, ama-cases ey'nduna ey'bulawayo, critical cases, especially in our province. So waphinde wahlakaza ukuthinta amaborder kuningi mhlambe even nakho ukuthi kusekhulethwe abasebenzi mhlambe or ama-officials. Uzothola ukuthi ke kunabantu asebenezinda zabo aba-comfortable kuzona, ukubona ukuthi khona umuntu aba-comfortable in his space. Angifuni ukungena kuma-politics womsebenzi wabo because that's not my place. Kulama stakeholders athintekayo engicabanga ukuthi okwami ukuqinisekisa ukuthi lolu daba ngidlulisela eNdlunkulu kwabadala kunami, ngidlulisele kuyiphathimandla eqondene so that it doesn't get influenced by any politics outside lokho kufanele kwenziwe, because abantu eqondene nawo ngokwama-stakeholders okuthinta bona futhi nengcindezi engabe ithinta omunye uzothi we are making it about i-province yaKwaZulu Natal, yethu Senzo is the national minister of police and mhlambe futhi akanayo i-contacted direct njobebeka with the general Mkhwanazi, because mhlambe kuvaya through his national general before kufike kuMkhwanazi, but they've been working together Minister of Water and Sanitation njoba kuna madam nje lakhiwa ngalo ko Greater uMkhomazi behlala mhlambe kwi-jog ka national noma kuhlala